and the Tempstar just shut off, and now it's equalizing. That's that hissing noise. Hope you can read that. Sorry. Here we go. It's got the same motor train units use. Gentech. They're all down here splitting wood. Trying to be real careful with my camera and not get the lens all full of crud. Sorry if it keeps going in and out of focus. I have no way of controlling that. But it does have a sweet macro mode if it'll focus. There's some crud in the coils. Tempstar. I do not know what them are right there. I think they're plastic feet. The coil is sit on to keep it from touching, but yeah. And out. Take a good look at this out.